Hey, how you doing? This is Said, and I'm back with another video today. So today's topic, we're going to talk about promoting physical products versus digital products. Okay, when you're doing affiliate marketing. So when you're operating your affiliate marketing business, you'll be pleased to learn that there are many different types of products and kinds of products that you can promote as an affiliate, products and services, right? The variety of options can be great and sometimes overwhelming, as there are literally hundreds and thousands of affiliate products you can promote. For example, Amazon literally has hundreds, thousands, if not probably millions of products, affiliate products that you can promote as an affiliate, right? So some of the common products common ones are physical products, digital products, events and experience products. Uh, when I say events, say for example, if you can be an affiliate of special upcoming live events that are coming up, and you can promote them as an affiliate and then commission from them. Service-based products. Service-based products could be, for example, software as a service. That's one example of service-based products. So typically, there are two types of products that are very common in the affiliate marketplace, and these are physical and digital type of products. Okay. So some of the questions that you may be thinking is, which one should you promote? Which one is better? Let's find out and also go through some general aspects of promoting physical products and digital products. So firstly, physical products. Promoting physical products. Physical products come in tangible form, which of course, you can touch them, feel them and use them, use the product by handling them. For example, a laptop, a phone. It's quite common that when promoting physical products, the commission rates tend to be lower than if you were to promote in comparison to promoting digital products. One major reason for this is that physical products are likely to cost more to manufacture, to distribute, therefore have less profit margin for the product reseller, or creator. As a result of this, the product, creator or reseller is limited to how much commission they can pay out to the affiliate, as they need to consider making a decent profit to be able to sustain their business, right? So when it comes to commission rates, you're typically looking at around 1 to 10% on physical products. Yes, it may seem low, but if you have enough visitors going through your marketing pages with a strong conversion optimized funnel, then you can be generating some good volume of sales, and this could all compound to some decent income. Also consider the fact that there are high ticket physical products available in different niches. For example, massage chairs, I was looking at the other day. Massage chairs, there's affiliate programs for selling massage chairs, right? So which pays 6 to 7% commission depending on how much sales you generate. And 6 to 7 might not be much, but a typical massage chair can cost anything around $15,000 to $9,000. I just checked again before posting this, and so you're looking at $15,000 to $9,000. So 6 to 7%. Let's say you sold a massage chair worth $9,000, for example, at 7% commission. You're looking to earn around $600 for a single sale. So that's not bad for a tiny 7% commission, right? So if you're wondering who would be interested in massage chairs, well, I just did search for the keyword and it comes to about 5 million results. So there is a market out there. So that was just one example, but the fact is there are many niches that can pay big commissions on high price physical products even, and on low commission rates. So don't discount physical products just because they pay low commission rates. There are niches out there, high price, high ticket niches. Even watches, for example, like there could be affiliate programs. I haven't researched into it, but I'm sure there's affiliate programs to promote Rolex watches, which are of course a very high priced, high ticket product. Many physical products are also proven to convert better than digital products. So this could be down to the perceived value to the buyer, as you can touch the product, you can feel the product, you can use the product physically, and you get the products, sent to your, home address, physical product, and it's an exciting thing, Also, a lot of the time that you would like the brand and quality of the product, and thus prefer to buy for these reasons, the physical products. Promoting digital product. Let's look at promoting digital products. So the other common type of product that would be is digital products, of course, which are usually in electronic format. So these could be, for example, ebooks, online training courses, videos, audios, and softwares. Digital products can also provide that instant gratification, and satisfaction many people like. I personally do as well. When you buy something, you just want it now, right? And you can usually get these instant, access to your digital products as soon as you purchase it. Such as, you can download them, you can access the members area straight away, almost instantly. You get sent the, your login details through an automated email reply, right? So that's nice. That you don't have to wait for it compared to physical products. With physical products, there is some waiting game, after you've purchased the product, as you have to wait for it to be delivered, right? For example, when we buy something that we really, really wanted, and we just want it now, and don't like waiting for it. When I buy phones, for example, on the internet, I just want the phone now, but obviously I have to wait for it to be delivered. So why, that's why, the same day delivery services, which is, started not too recently, of course, but it's quite a common thing now. Same day delivery. You can literally buy a physical product today and get it delivered today, which is very useful service for us people who don't like to wait. We just want it now. Of course, at a price that you have to pay. So a major benefit of promoting digital products is also that the commission rates are typically much higher as well than physical products. So it's not uncommon, to be earning commissions from 40 to 90% commissions, on digital products, which is very good, right? And this is mainly because as a product creator, you can create your product once and store it on the internet servers, around the world or anywhere, wherever, online, and deliver your product as many times as you want without you lifting a finger. There's no delivery costs, physical logistics or anything like that. So it just gets stored, in digital format on the server, just like you would store, your file, your Word files and all that on your hard drive, right? Another reason digital product creators can pay more is that the cost to create and maintain these products are lower, as I mentioned, maintaining, and as you have to only create it once, right? And then you can use hosting services, to store and deliver the products, unlimited times almost, which costs much lower than storing physical products in a physical location, i.e. a warehouse or a shop, etc. So because the sales and delivery process are all automated by special sales software, and everything from the processing the sale to delivering the digital products is a smooth process with very little chance of errors. With digital products, none of the potential issues that are common with physical products can occur. For example, problems such as out of stock products, missed deliveries, faulty products, and other issues common with the physical products that you get. So this way your customer has a more chance of receiving a great customer service experience the first time round when they're buying digital products. So which one should you promote? Well, there's a few ways that you can go about this, depending on what you prefer. If you prefer to earn high commission rates, then you could of course go for digital products, right? If you prefer to go for a niche that you're passionate about, then you have to see what products are available for that niche and choose the products you wish to promote accordingly. These could be physical or digital format, but the best thing is to research your niche and find out what range of products that you can promote. Different niches have different types of products. For example, if you're into promoting massage chairs, as I used this example earlier on, then in the massage chairs niche, you can't have a digital product in the form of a massage chair. Yeah, it has to be a physical product. Therefore, in this case, you would be promoting a physical product, in your massage chairs niche. So, it depends on the niches, what products you get to promote. It could be physical or digital. So which one is better, physical or digital products? So the answer to this question could be different answers to different people with different preferences, right? But let me share with you some important points that may help you decide which one you should go for. So digital products typically pay a higher commission, as we've discussed. So if you want high commission, then you can promote digital products. Physical products, on the other hand, tend to pay lower commissions. However, they are proven to better convert than digital products, depending on the nature of the product, of course. Physical products also can offer a much wider range of product offerings for you to promote. For example, Amazon has the biggest affiliate program in the world, with millions of products that you can promote as an affiliate. Majority of the products are physical products. So if you're more into promoting products around your passion, then based on your passion, you may end up promoting digital, physical, or even a combination of both. I personally like to go for passion-based niches in combination with the need to solve and improve a significant need in the marketplace. So what I mean by that is, obviously I want to go for a product I'm passionate about so that I'm more interested in the product, but that product also has to, serve a real significant important need in the marketplace. For example, someone out there needs, it needs to solve someone's problem. So that way, at least you're making a difference, an improvement in someone's life by promoting these type of products, right? So my niche is in the field of marketing and helping people grow their business with the power of marketing. So in this niche, there are a combination of high value physical and digital products available for me to promote. One of my favorite marketing resources company that I really am passionate about, I really like using, I've purchased loads of products from them, is ClickFunnels, the company ClickFunnels, where they have an affiliate program that you can promote physical and digital products from their line of products, suite. These include books in physical format, the actual ClickFunnels marketing software, and some other cool marketing resources that you can promote in the form of books and courses. What's special about their affiliate program is that some of their products offer ongoing recurring commissions of 40%, of around 40%. This particular product is their flagship product called ClickFunnels marketing software, which I'm a good user. I use it myself. They even have a dream car bonus that gives anyone the opportunity to have their dream car lease paid for every month, as long as you can generate between 100 to 200 sales. I think the way it works is that if you get 100 sales, they pay 500 a month towards your lease car of your choice. You can even go higher. If you get 200 sales, they will pay £1,000 towards your lease car of your choice. On top of that, you still earn your 40% recurring commissions, and I think that's an amazing affiliate program. And amazing benefits, of course. ClickFunnels software, in my experience, and a user of the product myself, I can say with passion that it's currently the best out there for creating all sorts of marketing websites and pages very easily. I've tried about 3 or 4 marketing softwares, really popular ones, and I find ClickFunnels, in my opinion, very easy to use, beginner friendly, and it's cloud based, so that you don't have to download and install anything. All the software is available to use online, and it's you don't have to have much, you don't have to have any programming skills or anything like that, or web skills. With ClickFunnels, you can create complete sales funnels, landing pages, webinar pages, training course pages, and much more. And for affiliate marketing, you can use it to create bridge pages, landing pages, lead magnet pages, training paid course pages, opt-in pages, much more stuff. Once you generate a ClickFunnels sale, you earn 40% recurring every month until the customer cancels their subscription. So technically, you only need to make, you only made one sale, but you could potentially get paid every month for that one sale. So with recurring affiliate commissions, you can truly earn passive residual income from your affiliate marketing business. However, these types of products, affiliate products, are less common than the usual affiliate products, where you get one-time commission. So if you're undecided on what to promote,